Okay, hi everyone, good morning. So, another day, another get ready with me. So, I'll be using my favorite skincare from Skin. This is their skin hydrator, guys. So, today is Tuesday. So, quick get ready with me lang. So, prep lang natin ng skincare. Next is, I'll be using the Arcadia na sun lotion. My ultimate favorite sunblock. And syempre, mas madami dapat sa forehead kasi yan ang unang tinatamaan ng sun. Don't forget the neck. Ayan. So, we'll be using the Arcadia na cushion in the shade number 1. What I like about the Arcadia is mas ano sila sa skincare with skincare na may konting makeup. Charot. Hindi kasi, I mean, they're promoting skincare sa line, sa makeup line nila. Kaya yun yung pinakagusto ko as acne prone skin na girl. Yeah. So, yan ang ating unang tinitingnan when we're buying makeup. Siyempre, sino ba naman gusto mag-breakout sa makeup? Diba? Wala naman. Kaya gusto ko i-brand na Arcadia kasi yun nga, maano sila sa, they're focusing on skincare ingredients na meron sa kanila makeup. Kaya their daily review. Nakakatuwa kasi guys, I am a consumer. Everything na nakita nyo namang unang ginamit ko sa na products from Arcadia ay talagang binili ko guys. Binili ko siya. Tapos later on, I was so lucky. Kasi pinadalhan na nila ako ng PR products. Although I am a user before, kaya plus points na din na consider ako as one of their affiliate and content creator na binigyan ng PR product nila. Kaya I'm so happy kasi talaga naman ginagamit ko yung products nila. Kaya yung serum cushion ko guys na ganito, naging 2 siya. Ito guys, binili ko to. Tsaka yung ibang mga sunblock before nung nagpangkasinan kami. Talagang yun ang brand na pinagkatiwalaan kong gamitin. That I believe na hindi ako masusunog once I use their sunscreen. Yung sunspray nila. Yung para siyang aerosol, parang spray net ang labas pero ano siya, sunblock na ini-spray. Ayan. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills na deep brow pomade nila. Girl, ang tagal ubusin ito. What I like about this is, alam mo yung laging, sa bagay yung mga pinipili kong hair color is laging nagmamatch dito sa brow pomade na to. Kasi diba, before, pagka gagamit ko ng mga brow product, dapat ka-shade ng hair mo. So, I'll be using my favorite, Eden from Arcadia na blush, daily blush. And brush from Happy Skin X Marge. So, tala naman yung mga brush ko. Yung kay Happy Skin X Marge na collab. And then, the Real Techniques lang na travel and full size na brush. So, yun lang yung brush ko. And I'll be checking if I'm gonna get the Dala X2 na brush. Because they do have good reviews, although there are reviews na may tusok factor daw si Dala na collab ito ni. Let's see. And I hope I can get a stock kasi magre-restock sila sa 12/12. And our lipstick for today. Ayan. So, try itong pink. This is the number 3 Athena ng Arcadia. This is their Velvet Blur Lip Tint. Yung freshie lang tayo today cause still have time. Even yung mga lip products nila may cooling effect siya because of the skincare na meron sa lip product nila. And this is our look for today. And I'm good to go. Posing lang tayo na very light. Tapos maglagay lang tayo na a little bit of their serum fix mist. Konti lang yung spray ko. So, pasok po tayo guys. And I'll update you later guys.
Make a wish, make a wish. Yan muna. Okay.
Yay!
Ito yung isa.
Happy birthday, Nanay! Happy birthday, Nanay! Yay! Walk lang, walk. It's wet.
You just check my lap kasi it's wet.
SNR? Pero wood ata yan. Halika dito, tito tayo. Oh.
Kaya kasya ka dyan. Gumapang ka na.
Cyrus, wait.
Sisi. Go, Demi. Diba, you like that?
Anak, it's wet. Anak, anak, wet yan. Wet, wet.
Can you try to climb here?
Nag-try na siya, kaso wet.
Gawin natin si Titi dito. Hindi ka man. Doon, doon.
Dito. Okay. Ay, dito.
Okay. Demi, go down.
Ano ba yan? Ikaw, yan. Sige, go, Cyrus. Sige, sige.
Look at you.
Ayun eh.
Dito, dito. Ayan, step. On, then step.
Okay.
Dito.
I'll wait you there.
Go, go.
Yeah. Together. Yan.
Wala ko sayang ako.
Hintay ko na. Wala. Anak, wait lang, wait. Ano mo ba sabihin dito ko maangkat?
Oh, yung head mo.
Sige. Yay! Okay.
Hi guys. Hey, hi guys.
Hi guys.
We're going home.
I really miss this place so much.
Look, it's so beautiful.
Oh,
Pakita ko sa
walk
inyo,
lang ha.
guys.
Sige, bibidyohan ka namin. Walk lang. Sige.
Okay, walk.
Sabihin mo, this is...
Oh, dadad pa ka mo.
My driving.
You're what you're?
Driving.
Yeah, you're driving. Ay, you're driving car.
It's so hard to fly.
Okay, hi everyone. It's already... Anong oras na ba? It's already... Magte-10 na guys ang gabi at nakauwi na kami from the Nest Resort. So, yan, nag-celebrate kami ng birthday ngayon ni nanay. And, I think that's it. And, mag-clean pa ako ng room. Kasi ipe-prepare ko na yung bed cause matutulog na si Loris, guys. And that's it for our vlogmas for today. And good night and see you on my next vlogmas. Bye! By the way, guys, nga pala, this is my full face. So, di na ako nakapag film kanina kasi nagmamadali. Tsaka simple lang naman to. Ang base ko ay ang Tevian. Tapos yung brows ko is from Everbelena, yung pencil nila. And then, yung blush ko is from Glam Hour. Ganda, di ba yung orange nila? Tapos lipstick ko is from Kiko Milano. Ayun guys, yun yung mayroon pa siya. Ito yung may gloss guys. Di ba merong dalawa kasi yun. Nasa may bag ko guys. Dalawa kasi yun guys. Yung isa. Wait. Ito tama. This one guys. Itong pink. Ito yan guys. Tapos nalagyan ko siya nitong gloss. And still meron pa siyang color guys. Ayan. Ayan. So, hindi siya totally nabura. As in, kain-kain ganyan, guys. Hindi siya nabura. Sobrang long wear ng Kiko Milano, guys. I swear, 100%. Yung walang gloss, tsaka may gloss. Swear, long wearing siya. And that's it. Once again, thank you guys for watching. See you on my next vlogmas.